Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used Audi vehicle. Introducing the Audi Q5 Black Edition Quattro tronic that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the stunning Navarra Blue metallic paintwork. Alongside housing the stunning black styling pack, including your Audi rings, you do also have your powerful TDI engine and efficient auto transmission, making it the ideal spacious family upgrade. Alongside housing plenty of top features, including your matrix LED headlights, parking sensors, and even your reversing camera. The electronic tailgate will reveal a very spacious 515-litre capacity to easily accommodate daily essentials. Move into a world of luxury with a part leather trim with access to your pull-down armrest and 3-zone climate. The front does house your multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your virtual cockpit and central touch display screen, providing endless entertainment. That modernised edge does continue with your S-embossed front part leather seats for further comfort. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on the steering wheel, including your controls to navigate around the virtual cockpit, displaying vital driving data, various audio, and even your full view display of your navigation. For further assistance, you do also have your speed limiter and cruise control features. Moving across, you will find a similar access to your variation of radio stations and again telephone connection, alongside your built-in navigation, ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. For advanced safety, you do also have your driving assistance features, alongside enhanced performance with your Audi Drive Select, including your off-road and efficiency. To activate your reversing camera, simply pop the car into reverse and this will guide you into those awkward manoeuvres. Followed just below by your 3-zone climate control options. For a desired temperature, you do also have your 2 front heated seats for the winter, followed by your cup holders and even a wireless charging pad. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.